Hello there! Welcome to the Gist on Plug TV Live. On the Gist today, reality TV stars Erica and Laycon reconcile after Big Brother Naija fallout. Let's check out the details.
Hi guys, say hi to the Love and Like guy.
Yes, that's me. Wagwan was popping.
Reality TV stars Laycon and Erica have reconciled after their famous fallout in the Big Brother Naija lockdown edition. Laycon and Erica were friends and later got involved in a love triangle with another housemate, Kid Wire. The two housemates fell out, which led to a huge scuffle that eventually caused the disqualification of Erica from the show. Since then, the two reality TV stars have not had a cordial relationship, and the tension even continued in the recently concluded reunion show. This has also been aggravated by the fans of both parties, and Ebuka asked during the show if they were ever going to reconcile. However, it finally seems like the two stars have decided to let everything go, as they were seen together in a video showing that they had reconciled with the hashtag #WeAreGood. Laycon and Erica shared the video on their Instagram stories using the hashtag, and their reconciliation is coming after the recently concluded Big Brother Naija reunion show. While subtly berating Laycon, Erica recounted how hurt that she was when she stumbled on the videos of Laycon's interview and said she felt stupid for trusting him. Laycon had very little to say in his defense, aside stating that he never watched any video of Erica apologizing and that he would rather be in conversations that promote his music. However, it feels like all of the back and forth has been put to rest, as we all know that Laycon won the Big Brother Naija lockdown edition and has since shifted his focus to his musical career, while Erica, although disqualified, have also had one of the largest fan base from the Big Brother Naija and continue to focus on several endorsements and her acting career. Fans seem to be excited after seeing them together last night, but hey, let's check out the video.
Hi guys, say hi to the Love and Like guy.
Yes, that's me. Wagwan was popping.
Hi.
That girl in the beating.
Laycon in the building.
I said beating.
Oh my god.
What's popping, guys?
Hey.
Wagwan, guys. I go by the name.
You go by
Star
the name
girl.
Star Girl.
I go by the name Laycon. What's popping? This Star girl.
Hey.
Hey.
Laycon, hi.
Yeah, Erica, how are you?